Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Does clove oil help with toothache? Clove oil has been used traditionally in folk medicine for toothache pain because it has a numbing effect due to the active ingredient eugenol. Eugenol is a natural anesthetic. If you have a toothache, it is important that you see a dentist as soon as possible. You may have a cavity, an impacted or abscessed tooth, or an infection that may need treatment with an antibiotic. It's always best to check with your dentist first. Medicinal use of clove oil for a toothache has not been approved by the FDA and its use is not proven with research. How do I use clove oil for a toothache? For temporary use to relieve toothache pain and until you can see your dentist. Dilute a few drops of clove oil with about 1 teaspoon of olive or coconut oil in a small dish. Apply to a cotton swab and dab on the painful tooth area. Let it sit on the painful area for 5 to 10 minutes before removing cotton ball. Another option is to mix together equal parts clove oil and olive oil and then swish the mixture around in your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Bottles of clove oil can usually be found at the pharmacy or other retail shops. Always dilute clove oil with another oil like olive or coconut oil before use. If it is irritating, burns or causes nausea, stop use. Clove oil is not pleasant to taste. It may leave you with nausea, burning, diarrhea or trouble breathing. Skin irritation like contact dermatitis has been reported. Toxic effects has been observed following ingestion of the oil, but is rare and poorly documented. Ingestions of high doses, as with an overdose, have been reported to cause severe liver injury. Related questions: what is the best remedy for toothache? Aleve versus Ibuprofen, what's the difference? Naproxen versus Ibuprofen, what's the difference? What are some other uses of clove oil? Clove oil has been used for treating a variety of disorders, but it is most commonly associated with treating a toothache due to its ability to cause temporary numbing. Some people also use it on the skin to keep mosquitoes and other insects away. Clove oil can also be added to hot steamy water and the vapor inhaled to help clear nasal passages and ease breathing. It may also help reduce phlegm or mucus associated with a cough. In one study, clove oil gel, mixed with glycerin, performed as well as benzocaine gel when evaluated for induced pain in the inside of the cheek. Animal studies have shown that clove oil exhibited anti-inflammatory, fever-reducing and pain-relieving properties in mice. Clove oil, mosquitoes, is a light yellow liquid harvested from dried flower buds. Bottles of clove oil can usually be found at retail shops and pharmacies in the US. Always check with your doctor before you use a natural product like clove oil. Some products may not mix well with drugs or other natural products. Seek advice from your pediatrician before you use product in a child. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.